Hello everyone, it is nice to meet you. It's my pleasure to walk you through Ansible Automation Services. We thank you for joining us today, choosing and spending your time with us in this virtual way. My name is Chandra. I have been with Ingram Micro over 6+ years now. Now we are starting to support automation with our key component portfolio being Ansible Automation from Red Hat. We are very proud of the distinct difference that Ansible made, which will continue to support IT worldwide. Try visualizing being able to automate your infrastructure with push of a button. The day-to-day repetitive tasks within your data center, you can automate it, whether it's servers, network devices, storage, cloud, so on and so forth. The Ansible Engine is an open source community project sponsored by Red Hat, and the automation platform is an enterprise framework for controlling, securing, managing, and extending your Ansible automation, whether it's community version or engine with a UI and RESTful API. It's simple, agentless IT automation that anyone can use. You can automate your entire IT footprint, even the data center mission critical resources. Ansible is an open source IT automation engine. You can use Ansible to do orchestration, manage configuration, deploy application, provision, deliver continuously, and improve security and compliance in your servers, network devices, cloud storage, container, or infrastructure. Ingram Micro is a global wholesale technology distribution company for these IT products. This way, we have the privilege to work closely with product vendors in terms of automation and have the opportunity to do the integration with all these products. In order to meet the automation success criteria, we must consider many things. As a trusted global distributor, we have a very good business relationship with Red Hat and most of the product vendors. We have built our own Technology Experience Center lab in Asia Pacific region by integrating different products. We built our own customer success stories with Ansible. We have our own talented architects and engineers. We always align with our partners, resellers, and end users. Red Hat always likes to work with their partners as part of Red Hat ecosystem. So this way, Red Hat and partners can expand their business much faster together. Since we align with most of the partners and vendors, we have the privilege to work closely with most of them, and together we find a joint solution which leads to the IT data center automation success. Few years back, I get opportunity to learn Ansible, and we started our automation journey by integrating Windows and Linux servers in our solution center based here in Singapore, and that was the start. We are Ingram, and I get spare network devices from our pre-sales team very easily to start my network integration, such as Cisco and Juniper devices. Ingram has specialized network pre-sales team, and I learned the basic network lessons from them and apply the same methodology by writing YAML playbook. We started sharing these automation possibilities with partners and vendors. Ingram post-sales team provided me a NetApp storage to play around, and now we have storage automation use case as well. Since automation gets more attractions, I get the request to integrate more and more products, and I put the effort in different phases in timely manner. With the 2 different phases, I did the integration with many other products in our lab that includes Azure Public Cloud, IBM QRadar use case, and more. I couldn't do this without Ingram team, and I am taking this opportunity to thank everyone, especially Unislav and Irene Chia. There has been many functional Ansible use cases. Few of them has been identified as follows. Satellite has integration with Ansible for the purpose of remote execution and desired state, orchestrate provisioning, etc. Security automation is a big topic, and I have a separate slide which we'll share soon. Public cloud automation have more than 800 modules available, especially from Microsoft Azure and AWS. Infrastructure automation is a wide topic, depends on customer requirement. One of the example use case in VMware, I heard from many partners and customers, whenever there is an application deployment or patch update within virtual machines, engineers may take a manual snapshot or backup before they proceed with application deployment. An engineer may restart the virtual machines as part of their task. When engineers deal with 100 or 1000 virtual machines within VMware, it consumes long hours for those repetitive tasks. If they do it manually, by using Ansible, we can write YAML playbook. So this way, you can orchestrate the entire flow with a push of a button. Windows automation. Most of the customers use Windows servers and they can easily automate their daily tasks. There are many use cases already available right now. Linux automation. There are many different distro Linux in the market. With YAML, simply automate your repetitive tasks. Network automation. Again, there are many different brands of network devices available in the market, and most of the top brand name like Cisco, Juniper, Palo Alto, and Aruba actively sharing their latest modules with Red Hat. Depends on the customer environment, we can make life easier for the network engineers to relieve from their day-to-day tasks with automation. Patch management. This is one of the common use case example for the repetitive tasks. Each and every organization have servers, either Windows or Linux, and you're already aware that always there will be latest security patch have to update as per their company policy. Those enterprise organizations may be using different tools to manage different operating systems. By using Ansible, you should be able to manage all those different resources from one single tool, which is Ansible Automation Platform. In my previous slide, I mentioned about use cases about some examples from a high-level point of view. Now, look at the network automation module itself. It have 1000+ modules and keep growing. What's that mean? Each module can translate into one use case from customer point of view. For example, creating a VLAN, one use case. So, we have to listen to customer requirement and translate that into a use case. Similarly, public cloud have 800+ modules, means within Microsoft Azure itself, you may automate many tasks in your cloud with a push button. Same story goes for Windows and Linux automation as well. Let's make it use of these automation possibilities, which consider as a low-hanging fruit as an opportunity. There have been many tools used in enterprise organizations for security operations. Each tool may be owned by different teams. For example, IBM QRadar team part of SIEM, Cisco may be part of firewall team, so on and so forth. When incident happens, it's important that each tools and teams work together to identify and resolve issue. The challenge here is lack of integration between various teams and policy. Each time when the incident happens, it may take time to investigate and resolve issue. A unified language should talk to these tools to make it automate the whole process, which is Ansible. We do have success stories. All these opportunities, we work very closely with Red Hat, since we do have very close business relationship with them, and we work together with solution architects from Red Hat across Asia Pacific region. The first success story that I want to share with you is from a management university headquarters based in France. They have many campuses around the world, including Singapore. They were looking for automation solution for their mission critical data center to manage their 500 plus servers, which includes mix of Windows and Linux servers, network devices, and some resources in public cloud such as AWS and Azure. And they want to manage their resources on their remote data centers in Singapore and Abu Dhabi. Before reach out to us, their technical director already did homework exploring different solutions, and finally they figure out Red Hat Ansible is the right choice for them. But they want someone to install and configure Ansible Tower and write playbook based on their day-to-day repetitive tasks. So together with Red Hat team, I visited their Singapore campus, identified their requirement and proposed solutions. Based on their feedback, I did the POC from scratch with a few use cases and did the live demo, answered all their technical queries together with Red Hat, given them the impression that we should be able to deliver the project. We successfully delivered the overall project within the time frame, such as installed Ansible Tower in separate 3 virtual machines and database in separate server as a multi-cluster environment. In other words, it's a solution for their disaster recovery purpose as well. To manage their remote data center based in Singapore, installed isolated tower node in Singapore data center. So this way, we were able to manage all their remote data center resources from one single Ansible tower that's based in their headquarters in France. Also provided all the necessary technical training, documentations, necessary guidance, together with all use case playbooks, basically start to end delivery. Now it's been 2 years. Everything has been working well as per their customer expectation. Since we deliver our first project successfully, that leads to the second project together with Red Hat team for an insurance company. We provided the necessary solutions like integration with security tool Rapid7, few scripts to scan Microsoft SCCM, patch management for their Windows and Linux server solution, etc. The third success story is from a Chinese exchange company to manage 200 plus network devices like Juniper and Cisco. To fulfill their network device health and security compliance check repetitive tasks, they manually execute 50 plus network commands across those 200 plus network devices within 2 different data centers. We wrote YAML playbook to automate all this heavy manual process with push of a button solution. So we transform those 10,000 times manual copy and paste being achieved with a push of button. Now we have a team of coders based in Indonesia to assist the YAML playbook. So these Ansible integrations, use cases, success stories get attraction, and I get an opportunity to move from Singapore team to APAC role within GP team, managed by Francis Chu, our VP. Together with GP sales and marketing team, I conducted Ansible knowledge transfer and enablement across Asia Pacific region and go-to-market campaign together with Red Hat across APAC. I not only shared the success stories, but also shared the service possibilities of data center automation with the APAC team. Recently, these stories been reached out to our global management, and there was a decision made. This automation journey is going to extend to global. So what you see on the screen is our Ansible Integration Map. All Asia Pacific Ingram team have the direct access to this lab, and currently they are doing live demo to partners and customers. It's a unique technical automation collection of resources with all the major brand resources put together in one place. Only Ingram can do this as a collective resource pool because we are the global distributor for all these products, and no one can stop us adding more resources within this automation pool. The previous slide was all about what we have in our lab. And in this slide, just want to quickly show you where we are heading in terms of integrating more products. We are in progress with these product integrations and it will be available soon. That includes Red Hat OpenShift use cases, Kubernetes, etc. VM Custom can do Kubernetes data backup and we will make sure it will be available for demo in our lab. These are the resource list across APAC region that we are working with for the go-to-market campaign together with Red Hat. And finally, it's time to introduce our Asia Pacific technical team together with solution architects from Red Hat that I'm working with on this Ansible automation journey. Let's meet them now, virtually.
Hi everyone, my name is Anthony Lin. I'm the Cloud Automation Specialist from Red Hat. I'm based in Singapore and I cover all the countries in ASEAN.
Hello, I'm Rahul. I'm Solutions Architect from Singapore.
Hello， 大家好，我叫杨子明，来自中国，目前是英迈北京公司的一名工程师。谢谢大家。
Hey, hi, this is Vijay. I take care of pre-sales for Red Hat in Ingram for India region.
Hi everybody, my name is Derek. I'm from Red Hat and I'm a Channel Solutions Architect based here in Singapore.
I'm Zeb Carnell, the Red Hat Solutions Architect for Ingram Micro New Zealand.
Hello everyone, my name is Ajay. I'm the Product Manager for Red Hat at Ingram Micro Australia. Welcome to Ingram One and hope you enjoy your time at Ingram One.
Hello everyone, this is Solution Architect team from Hong Kong.
Hello, my name is Panupong Suralat. I am Technical Service Engineer from Thailand.
Hi, my name is Jay Shekran. I'm a Technical Sales Engineer with Ingram Micro Malaysia with the Solution Design and Services team, and I'm also the primary SE for Red Hat.
Hi, I'm Yanon, the Technical Engineer from Indonesia.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Sofiani. I'm Software Engineer from Indonesia.
Thanks everyone joining with us. Have a nice day.